Welcome back to Auto Salvage Outlaws. Today, welcome back to Auto Salvage Outlaws. Hi, that don't belong to no Thunderbird. We are working on the '64 F100. Notice the fenders was done by the body shop that made a mess of this truck. So what we're having to do is go back and get all this back out of it, and then basically start all over on the fender. So stay around, hang around, and see if ASO can get this fender straightened out. It's not the best shape, especially on the corner here. It's been patched and whatever you want to call it. But let's see if we can get rid of this Bondo here and start all over on this fender. And we'll come in from behind with my little hammer and knock out the most big dents. Hang on.